Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. My name is Kingsley. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create your YouTube channel on your mobile device. And this works for both iOS and Android. But before we get into the video, let us know in the comment section topics you would like us to tackle as far as YouTube is concerned. Let's get right into the video. Okay, so to create your YouTube channel on your mobile device is as easy as that. All you need is to create a Gmail account, which is free. So just go to your website and then type Gmail, create account, and then create your own account. It's free. Then now you come back to your phone and open YouTube when you are done creating your email, and then go on this profile icon at the far top right and then tap on add account. So we are going to add an account, which is the new Gmail you created on Gmail. Okay, so for the purposes of this tutorial, I created an email called Kingsley tutorial. So I'll just sign in with the email Kingsley tutorial at gmail.com. Then next, correct. So it will tell me to enter my password. Then you enter the password you created for the email, the Gmail, sorry. So it will load depending on your internet speed. Then voila, they said I'm signed in. So as easy as that, but it doesn't end there. So you tap on the profile icon with the key. You see the profile icon with the key, just tap on it and then go to your channel. Otherwise you can't create a channel, so you have to officially create a channel. So you go to your channel. So because it's a new account, they'll ask me to change my profile picture and my account name. You can use your name you use for the Gmail, but it's not advisable because you want to really let your channel depict your brand. So first of all, change your profile picture. So you can go to your photos and then you choose from your photos, or you can take a picture from the camera. So for the purposes of the tutorial, I have this image here I want to use, so we'll use this one and position it very well. So we'll use this one and save. Then voila, you see my profile icon is being updated. Then I'll change the channel name. So depending on the channel you want to create, whether it's you want it to reflect your real name or you want it to reflect what the content you are going to create. So if it's a cooking channel and your name is Marian or your name is Emanuela, you can put Ella Cooks. Let's assume it's a cooking channel, so we do it Ella Cooks. Then we save it. So it will be saved. Voila, it's being saved. Then now YouTube has introduced handles for YouTube content creators to use. Okay, so if you don't choose a handle, YouTube will choose a handle for you based on your channel name. So you can see my channel name is Ella Cooks, and now the handle is Ella Cooks. So for example, maybe you want to change it to something else, you can change, or you can maintain it. So let's change and see. So let's do Ella Cooks 1 2 3. Then let's save it. So it has saved. So as simple as that. And so this is how you will appear on YouTube, with your name Ella Cooks and your handle Ella Cooks 1 2 3 with your profile icon. Then now you create your channel. So you will click on the create channel. So depending on the internet speed, you just have to wait a while for it to load. So it's loading. Voila, you have your brand new channel created on your phone. As easy as that. When you want to upload your first content, maybe you've already shot it already or you have it already, just go to the plus icon at the bottom, the plus icon. So you hit the plus icon, it will give you an option as create a short. This is where you create YouTube shorts that lasts for 1 minute. It's a new form of TikTok for YouTube. So if you have content that is less than 1 minute or is up to 60 seconds long, you can create that short. Short is now one of the hotcakes on YouTube because they've monetized it. Yes, they've monetized it, and you need 10 million views on shorts within the last 90 days for you to be accepted into the YouTube partner program to monetize your videos. So it's a good way for you to also reach new viewers. Or you want to create long form content, then that one you have to go to upload a video. Then so we'll go to upload a video. Then you say allow access to all photos. So this is the video I have. Then it comes, because this video is less than 60 seconds, YouTubers YouTube is just saying that I should do it as a short. But anyway, let's just continue. So your title, so maybe Ella, so maybe how to cook jollof rice in 2022. Okay, so it's okay. Then you place it to either public, unlisted, or private. When you place it to private, no one sees it. When you place it on private, no one sees it apart from you and anyone you want to watch. You invite a person to come and watch. So our advice you put on public, so that if you are earning to get money from YouTube or join the YouTube partner program, so that it will be counted as a watch hour. Then you select your audience. I will suggest you make it no, it's not made for kids. Otherwise, YouTube will not allow people to comment on your video. So click on no, it's not made for kids. Then go back. Okay, so that's all. Then you just hit the option with the blue sign. So upload video or upload short. Then you just click on it, and then voila, you've uploaded your first video.